We're going to be tying a 2,000-year-old fly pattern that is potentially the earliest recorded in literature. To start, we'll grab some black thread, continue wrapping to the back of the hook, and grab some scarlet yarn. We'll secure a small amount of yarn to the back of the fly, and snip the excess free. We'll then attach another clump of yarn to the head of our fly, secure it tightly, and wrap back towards the tag. Once complete, return your thread to the head of the fly and begin wrapping your yarn forward in close, touching spirals, creating an even body until we reach our thread. At which point, we'll secure, taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind the yarn, and snipping the excess free. Secure the yarn in place and clean up the head slightly before the next step. Grab 2 wax-colored feathers, place them together, measure it to length, and secure it to the head of the fly. We want them to stick out just slightly past the tag end. Once complete, snip the excess free, and whip finish to cover your tag ends. Snip your excess thread free and add some UV resin to the head of the fly to add some durability as well as shine. Secure with UV light, and this is my variation of a fly pattern that was potentially the first pattern ever recorded. And if you would like to win this fly, comment #flytying in the comments below. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.